A country once went to war against birds and lost. The Great Emu War. Soldiers versus giant flightless birds, and the birds won. True story. In 1932, Western Australia, thousands of emus migrated into farmland, wrecking crops. Farmers begged for help, so the government sent soldiers from Campion with 2 Lewis machine guns and about 10,000 rounds. The plan? Thin the emu herds. Reality? Emus outran, scattered and shrugged off bullets. They were fast, oddly tactical, and hard to herd. After several failed attempts and lots of ridicule in the press, the military pulled out. Outcome: the emus kept roaming, and humans learned you don't mess with hungry, stubborn birds.